In this quick video, I am going to show you how to send MS Word files from laptop to mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So first of all, we need to save our file in our laptop. For that, tap on File and then here click on Save As, and now click on Browse and select the destination where you want to save your file. I want to name my file Demo, and then we can choose the file type as well. For that, I just need to click here and then select any type from here. You can select PDF, XPS document or any document. I want to go with Word document. Once you select it, tap on Save. Now all we need to do is open WhatsApp web or WhatsApp app in your laptop or computer. Once you open it, select the person or chat where you want to send your Word document. I want to send it to myself, so for that I need to select myself from the chat and then tap on this attachment icon and then here click on document. Once we tap on it, locate to the path where you saved your Word document. I saved it in my sample data folder, so I'll select it, then select the folder and tap on open. And once we select it, we need to just tap on this arrow icon and there you go. I have successfully sent the document on my phone from my laptop. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.